Hey, in this video, I will show you how to turn off Fortnite parental control. It's actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is go over to, you do not do that from Fortnite. So you want to go over to your browser and go to store.epicgames.com and just log in. I've already done that. After that, you want to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and right here, there'll be a few things you want to go over. When it loads up, you want to click on parental controls at the top left corner. You want to enter the pin that your parents set for you. If you don't have one, you can set one right here. And after that, it says general settings. You can manage your pin. You can change it, and here you can go in and change different permissions and Fortnite settings. Um, Here it is. And if you want to remove the pin, well, you need to click on forget. That's pretty much what you gotta do. In here it says you won't need to enter your pin. All games in the Epic Store will be available to your child. You can manage all of that right here. Always require a pin for purchases using Epic Games payment services. I would add that in. Social permissions, Epic Friends permissions, require pin to add Epic Friends, voice chat, and so on. So yeah, you can even disable voice chat for your child or enable it and so on. So you can manage all of that from here. If you still have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you next one.